up, squad? Your boy C's back at it again. And so the internet has been down on the entire West Coast. Like CenturyLink, you got to get your shit together. I'm not gonna lie. You know what I mean? You guys are a billion-dollar company, tens of billions maybe. And so this is pretty much why the uploads haven't occurred in the past couple of days. Anyways, posted those videos by now, hopefully. And today is just a day of leisure. Me and wifey, baby is at the crib with grandma. You know, grandma's turn to have fun with the little booger. And we are headed up to Snowbird. I'm still congested too, if you can't tell. Yeah, so we are headed up to Snowbird. What's the lodge that we're headed to?
Cliff.
The Cliff Lodge. We're gonna have like a day of exercise, spa, jacuzzi, all of that good stuff. And look at all these skiers, man. This is what's keeping us, holding us down, holding us back, is like these guys pulling over. And yeah, so we're gonna do that. And then there's a party for me. Although it's a late party, but hey, you know, they're celebrating the kid's birthday once again. And yeah, looking forward to doing that. Yeah, and enjoying the full, beautiful day, man. Take a look at the view, enjoy. All right, Snowbird Cliff Lodge. That was an awesome morning. Just finished eating lunch. Now we're headed back home to get ready for the party, or
Yep.
I guess so.
Just more relaxing.
More relaxing. I need a nap now because that workout and that pool was amazing. Also, the eucalyptus in the steam room cleared me up a ton, so hopefully there's nothing left and I can get back to breathing normal again. Whew.